అనే విషయాన్ని క్లియర్ గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి 8th క్లాస్ నుంచి సాయి సువర్ణ రెడీగా ఉంది. సాయి సువర్ణ ప్లీజ్.
Our school. I am coming from Papidipalam. I am studying from play class in our school. Our school unique management and care. Good morning respected teachers, parents and my dear friends. Our school is not just an institution but a home of excellence, discipline and care. Setting it apart from others with fully structured buildings, spacious classrooms, a vast playground, a peaceful learning environment. Everything provides every student need to grow academically and personally. The school management plays a crucial role in ensuring smooth operation and prioritizing the well-being of students at every step. One of the biggest strengths of our school is the parental care extended by the management. Every student is treated with attention and affection, ensuring their needs are met in time. Special care is given to all students, providing them with secure and supportive environment where they can excel without worries. For 10th class students, our school takes extra efforts by conducting special coaching classes, regular assessments and personalized guidance to achieve the excellent results in board exams. A major driving force behind the successful and well-managed system is our respected correspondent Uma Maheshwari Madam, who shares a strong rapport with both parents and students, always approachable, she listens to concern and motivate us. Alongside our chief advisor, Prasad Rao sir plays a key role in implementing new strategies and improving the academic performance and making sure our school reaches new heights. With such dedicated leadership and management, our school continues to high standards, creating a narration to inspiring for students to dream big and achieve success. Thank you.
ఫెంటాస్టిక్. నిజంగా చాలా చాలా అద్భుతంగా, ఎక్కడ ఒక మిస్టేక్ కూడా లేకుండా చాలా అద్భుతంగా చెప్పింది. ఫెంటాస్టిక్. సీరియస్లీ